So, andito ako sa Sandigan Homes. Woo! So guys, kasama ko dito ay si Lucas sa Leitaria. So guys, nagdadalgo na kami. So guys, ang shape ko ay square. Okay guys, simulan na natin! Yay! Huwag mo galawin. Bili, guys.
Go guys! Hi guys!
Hi guys. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and share.
Okay. We're Thanos.
Ito kasi sa salin, ang daming pauso eh. Kaya naibisip kayo mag-video.
Sausaw natin.
Me. Ako.
And then, parang needle to guys, so.
Give me advice. Give me the advice. Man. Yeah.
Sana hindi to masira. Hoy, bigyan niyo naman ako.
Uy. Give me advice. Yummy. Yeah, I love fried raw. Not fried. One thing. Yeah. You're me here. I don't know.
Wait, guys. Gamitin muna natin to. So, tingnan natin kung yung needle na.
Yay. Kaya. King Bill. 10. Nani?
Uy, guys, wag niyo akong ubusan. Tabi ka dyan.
Madam.
Excuse me, Nathan.
Me.
Uyakan yan needle.
Madam, do that to me.
Inubusan niyo na ako. Tapon mo na to, oh. Ito rin, lagay. Nathan, lagay mo to sa lababo. Ayan, oh. Continue pa natin, guys. Sana hindi pa masira. O kung kainin na natin lang to, guys. Ha? So guys, teka lang, so ayusin ko yung camera. Wait, guys, wait lang.
Ano naman?
Do that! No! Do that. Oh. Ready. In time. In go. Hui! Man in the one. Here, the bed. That's one thing.